In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this quick, stylish, natural hairstyle. This flat twist and high puff combo is perfect for any occasion. So welcome to my channel. My name is Peace, and without wasting much time, let's go straight to today's video, making sure that my hair is moisturized and getting all of that moisture in. I'm using leave-in conditioner and a hair growth oil that I use. Next thing you want to do is to part your hair where the twist will be for a clean look, just from ear to ear at your crown section. And when you are done, make sure that it's very clean and neat. When you are done, you're going to be dividing that into two again diagonally. It won't be like a center part or a side part, it's going to be like a diagonal part, as I am doing in this video. This hairstyle is very simple. You can achieve this in 5 minutes. Like, I'm not even joking, you can achieve this in 5 minutes. It is suitable for all hair lengths: short, medium, long hair lengths. What I'm doing now is just applying some gel to my edges. If you don't want to use gel, it's totally fine. You can achieve this hairstyle without gel. Next thing I'm doing is to make my flat twist. I have a video where I showed how to make flat twist for beginners, so kindly check that. I'll be linking that in this video, and check the description box for that video. Okay, make sure that your flat twists are quite good, and if you can't do flat twist, you can still go out with braids, or you can just use the roll and tuck method. All right. Okay, so if you do not have any gel, you can use edge control, and if you still don't want to use edge control, you can go on like that. Okay, I didn't use edge control because I ran out of edge control and I just had gels with me. What I'm doing is trying to create simple hairstyles for we Afro girlies to make, because often at times we feel like we do not have hairstyles. I hope that you'll be able to recreate some of these hairstyles that I'm showing. I'm done with the flat twist. I'm just going to be combing my hair a bit and get some of that gel at the back, then brushing it so that it aligns and it fits perfectly. We're going to be doing a high puff. I don't know if this is called a high puff or a high bun. I see a lot of girlies, missing it or trying to just, I don't know which of them. Some people say high bun, some people say high puff. So let me know in the comment section which is the right one. I think this is a high puff because it looks puffy and not a high bun. Okay, so just make sure you get your high bun. I'm using a shoelace to do that, but if you have something else, a stretchy head tie, you can use it. Okay, or you can use any ribbon of your choice. You can see that it is very simple and easy to achieve. I am done. I'm just going to be using my comb to make it bouncy and fuller. Okay, because that's one of the things you have to learn in doing high bun. Is one thing to do high bun and that thing to make it fuller. Now I'm just going to get some of those gel again, because my hair is high porosity, and girls, my hair was so dry at this point I had to use some gel. Brush that in and I am good to go. Add in some accessories if you like, and if not, girl, you are good to go. You are done. You can take this hairstyle to work, you can take this hairstyle to church, you can take this hairstyle to school, any occasion of your choice you can take this hairstyle to, and that is all for today. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle. Also, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and drop your comments in the comment section. I want to know what you think about this. Also, if this is your first time here, please let me know in the comment section. I want to say a special shout out to you, and if you're an existing subscriber, let me also know. I want to say a special shout out to you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.